Hi guys, on this video I'm going to show you 5 Android tricks you don't know or maybe you know and don't use. So to go ahead, go to settings, then security. So scroll up a little bit, then screen pairing. So once you have seen it, activate it. Then also toggle on ask for pin before unpinning. So as you can see here, to pin the app, go to your minimize app, then tap the app icon, then pin. So once you have pinned, you won't be able to go back. You won't be able to go out of the app unless you unpin it. To unpin it, you have to press the back button and the minimizing button together for a second. Then, if you ask for your pin, then you have to put your pin to unpin it. If you are using gesture, you have to scroll your hand up together from the side of minimizing and back. That's it. So the second trick here is for you to bring back the notification. Maybe you receive a notification, then boom, it disappear. So you can see all your notification by simply pressing this your screen, then widget, then navigate to settings. So once you have seen the setting icon, press it. So you bring up some option for you. Oh, sorry, drag it rather. So you have to drag it to where you want to put it, then to bring up some option, then you see notification log. So once you press the notification log, it's going to create a shortcut. So then open it, then you see all your notification. The one you see and the one you don't see, the one that works underground also. So the third trick here is app split. Split simply means you using two apps at the same time, but not all apps support it. Maybe on on higher version some app would have supported, but here I'm using Spark 4 to edit to create this video. So as you can see here, WhatsApp support it, but the other app here I have don't support it. So yeah, I will have to open more apps so for you to see. So as you can see, I opened YouTube. So I'm going to split WhatsApp and YouTube. So as you can see, WhatsApp is up, then YouTube is down. Gee. So yeah, you can use two apps at the same time, watch movie and also chat on your WhatsApp, or maybe play game and chat on your WhatsApp. So that's it. The first year is for you to change your animation speed. So as you know, as in Android has some animation that slow down your phone. In order to speed it up a little bit, you have to go to your phone, then tap on the build number 3 times. It's going to ask for your pin to activate the developer mode. So as you can see, I've already activated it. So get back, scroll up, system, then developer option. So you also have to scroll up a little bit till you see why did it. So as you can see, window animation, scale, transition, then animation, duration, scale. So you have to reduce the. So as you can see, it is already in 1x before you. So you have to reduce it to 0.5. So on the Fifth app here is for you to change, quickly access your settings, your quick setting. Instead of you dragging down one hand, you can drag your two hand from above, then it will bring up your quick settings instantly, as you can see. So as you can see it. So thank you. Like and subscribe.